Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmatch with someone on the Badoo dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start matching with various different users. Now, if you have already matched with some users, then you will already have gained access to the chat menu. Tap on chats and you will see the various users that you have already matched with. If you wish to unmatch with any one of them, just tap on their profile and from the profile menu tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you will be able to find the unmatch option. Just tap on unmatch and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to unmatch with this user. Just tap on yes unmatch and this user will immediately be unmatched from your account. And once you have been unmatched, you will also not be able to chat with them anymore. You can do this with any number of profiles that you wish. And once you unmatch with them, you might once again see their profile within the encounters page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unmatch with someone on the Badoo dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.